Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bark menu. To begin, understand that the Bark menu is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Bark account. It's where you'll find settings, alerts, and monitoring options. You can reach it either through the dedicated Bark application on your mobile device or by logging into your account directly on the Bark website. A stable internet connection is crucial for seamless access and updates. For mobile users, accessing the Bark menu is straightforward. First, launch the Bark application on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, look for the icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called a hamburger menu icon. It's usually positioned in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will immediately expand the main navigation menu, giving you access to all its features. If you prefer using a web browser, the process is just as simple. Start by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the official Bark website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account using your registered email address and password. After logging in, locate the menu. It's commonly positioned near your profile picture or a similar user icon, usually in the top right or left of the page. Once you've accessed the Bark menu, you'll find a comprehensive set of options. Here, you can manage your account settings, review alerts, and customize monitoring preferences for all your connected devices. It's your control center for ensuring your family's online safety. Remember to regularly check the menu for updates and new features. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.